Give me 10 minutes to fix your marketing mindset. You're doing all the things. You're posting on social media, sending emails, maybe even running a few ads. But when you look at your results, crickets. It feels like you're shouting into a void, just wasting time, money, and energy. You're frustrated, overwhelmed, and if you're being honest, you're pretty close to quitting. What if I told you the problem isn't your marketing tactics? It's not the algorithm, and it's not your product. The problem is your marketing mindset. Your mindset is the invisible force that shapes every single action you take, and right now, it's holding you back. Give me the next 10 minutes. That's it. And I'll walk you through 5 practical mindset shifts that will turn marketing from your most dreaded chore into your business's most powerful asset. These aren't just fluffy ideas, they're actionable changes that will redefine how you connect with the people you're meant to serve. Let's get into the first one. Section 1, shift from selling to serving. You know why marketing feels so awful for so many people? It feels selfish. It feels like you're constantly asking for something, pushing a product, and trying to convince people to part with their money. This creates a huge internal conflict because most of us don't want to be that pushy, aggressive salesperson, so we either do it in a way that feels fake and uncomfortable, or we just avoid it completely. So, here's the first and most critical mindset shift. Stop selling and start serving. Reframe marketing not as an act of promotion, but as an act of service. People don't want to be sold to, they want to be guided. Your new role isn't salesperson, it's guide, teacher, a helpful resource. Every piece of content you create, every email you send, every post you share should be filtered through one simple question. How does this genuinely help my audience? When you come from a place of generosity, the entire energy changes. You're no longer taking, you're giving, you're sharing solutions, offering value, and building real trust. Think about it. When you truly believe you're helping someone solve a problem, the fear around marketing just starts to dissolve. Your focus shifts from your own insecurities to your customers' needs. The goal isn't just a transaction, it's a transformation for them, no matter how small. This shift from how do I sell more to how do I serve better is the foundation for everything. When you give freely, whether it's advice or just understanding, people naturally want to give back with their loyalty and their business. Section 2. Shift from perfection to consistency. How many times have you had a great idea for a post or a video, but you never did it because you were waiting for the perfect time, or the perfect idea, or the perfect equipment? This obsession with perfection is one of the biggest killers of marketing momentum. You spend 6 hours designing one Instagram post, get exhausted, and then decide it's just not sustainable. The second mindset shift is to choose consistency over perfection. Prioritize done over perfect. The truth is, marketing doesn't work in occasional brilliant flashes. It works through steady, reliable effort. Your audience needs to see you and hear from you regularly to build the kind of trust that leads to a sale. It's a simple idea. The more people see you, the more they start to like and trust you. So, what does this actually look like? It means committing to small daily marketing actions, even when they're not perfect. Send the email, even if the subject line isn't a work of art. Post the video, even if the lighting isn't studio quality. Share the story, even if you stumble over a few words. Failure isn't defeat, it's just data. Every imperfect action gives you valuable feedback about what your audience actually connects with. You can't learn anything from an idea that stays stuck in your head. The goal isn't to create one perfect piece of content. The goal is to build a body of work that consistently shows up and delivers value. Being intentional with your approach is what creates sustainable growth. Hey, if these mindset shifts are clicking for you and you're ready to stop feeling so overwhelmed by marketing, take a second to subscribe. I share practical advice just like this every single week to help you build your business with more confidence and less stress. Section 3, shift from everyone to someone. When I ask struggling business owners who they're marketing to, I almost always get the same answer: everyone. They think that by casting the widest net possible, they're increasing their chances of making a sale. In reality, they're doing the exact opposite. When you try to talk to everyone, you connect with no one. Your message just becomes generic, watered down, and really easy to ignore. This leads to our third shift. Stop marketing to everyone and start marketing to someone. A specific someone. Instead of trying to be everything to everybody, focus on your niche, and speak directly to your ideal customer, you need to know this person deeply. I'm not just talking about their age and location, I mean their psychographics. What are their biggest challenges? What are their deepest desires? What does a day in their life actually look like? What keeps them up at night? Stop looking at your competitors for inspiration and start looking at your dream customer. You're here to serve them. Once you have this crystal clear picture, you can create marketing that feels like a one-on-one conversation. Your content answers their exact questions. When your ideal customer finds you, they should feel this huge sense of relief. Finally, someone who actually gets it. This doesn't mean you'll push everyone else away. It means you'll build an incredibly strong, loyal following with a core group of people who feel seen and understood by you. And a small, engaged audience is way more powerful than a huge, passive one that doesn't care about what you do. Section 4. Shift from a sprint to a marathon. We live in a world of instant everything, and we bring that expectation to our marketing. We launch something new and expect the sales to pour in overnight. We post on social media for a week and get discouraged when we don't see a huge jump in followers. Thinking like that is just a recipe for burnout. The fourth mindset shift is to get that marketing is not a sprint. It's a marathon. It's a long-term investment, not a quick fix. Building a strong brand and earning real trust takes time. Sustainable results don't happen in days or weeks. They happen over months or even years. Switching to this long-term view is crucial for managing your own expectations and staying sane. When you play the long game, you stop obsessing over daily numbers and focus on the bigger picture. You don't get thrown off by one post that bombs or an email with a low open rate because you know it's just one step on a much longer journey. The goal isn't a one-time sale, it's building relationships that last. To put this into practice, start setting realistic goals for the next 3, 6, and 12 months. Maybe your goal for the first 3 months is just to get into a consistent posting rhythm and start having conversations, and celebrate the small wins along the way. The positive comments, the new subscribers, the first few sales. Those small victories are the fuel that will keep you going in the marathon. Section 5. Shift from your weaknesses to your strengths. So much marketing advice is one size fits all. You have to be on TikTok. You need to write long blog posts. You have to run Facebook ads. So we try to do it all, forcing ourselves onto platforms and into formats that feel draining and totally wrong for us. The final mindset shift is this: stop focusing on your weaknesses and start playing to your strengths. The best marketing strategy is the one you can actually stick with, and the one you'll stick with is the one that feels good to you. Are you a natural teacher? Maybe your sweet spot is creating detailed tutorials or hosting live workshops. Are you a great storyteller? Maybe you should focus on email newsletters or a podcast. Do you love connecting with people one-on-one? Maybe your strength is building a community or networking. When you line up your marketing with what you genuinely enjoy and do well, everything changes. It turns marketing from something you have to do into something you get to do. Your enthusiasm becomes contagious. When you're actually enjoying the process, your audience can feel it. That authenticity builds a much deeper connection than any forced tactic ever could. Don't feel pressured to be everywhere. Master one platform that aligns with your strengths first. Choose the channel that feels most natural. Focus your energy there, and you'll create better content, be more consistent, and get way better results. So, there you have it. 5 shifts to completely fix your marketing mindset. Let's run through them again, quickly. First, shift from selling to serving. Help, don't just pitch. Second, choose consistency over perfection. Done is always better than perfect. Third, market to someone, not everyone. A deep connection with a few beats, shallow reach with many. Fourth, treat it like a marathon, not a sprint. Patience is your greatest asset. And fifth, play to your natural strengths. Do what feels good because that's what you'll do best. Notice that none of this requires a bigger budget or fancier tools. These are internal shifts. They're about changing how you think. Your mindset determines everything, and by adopting these new beliefs, you can finally approach marketing with confidence and even joy. You're no longer just chasing leads, you're leading a community. You're not just selling a product, you're sharing a solution. Start now. Pick just one of these shifts to focus on this week. You have the power to turn marketing from your biggest frustration into your most powerful and fulfilling asset.